These are the absolute best metal upgrades for the WLtoys A959 RC car. So I've just got some packages from China, AliExpress, and there should be some metal upgrades in here. So we're just gonna rip it apart. So this is all the upgrades we have. We have the new suspension. We got the upgraded suspension arms and upgraded metal shock absorber boards and the whole differential. So last video I put this upgraded battery in, which is double the C, and I've broken the suspension arms. So now we're gonna disassemble the car, take out all the screws. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the suspension. Now I'll remove all this steering stuff. So I have taken the whole front apart. This front suspension arms are the shorter ones. Take them out. Wow, look at that metal. It's gorgeous. Now I'll just install these new arms on here. I'm just pushing this. Now we gotta bolt the arms in the wheels. Okay, so I have put the suspension arms on the wheels, so they are fully installed. Now we'll have to move our attention to the differential. So let's open this up. Okay, now I have opened it up. I don't really know how to do this. Okay, now that's removed. Damn, we just pulled out the entire axle here. We'll have to keep the bearings here. I couldn't get the screw out here because it's really hard to get out. So we won't be using these things, unfortunately. Now I'll just put the bearings. Just make sure we copy exactly what we see here. And I just gotta fit this like that, and it should be ready to go. Okay, now that we have installed the arms, I'm gonna install the upgraded metal shock absorber boards. So that's these boards, and we'll mount them on this cover with some screws. And we're just gonna put it like that. Okay, now it's time to install the front suspension. So there we have the whole front done with suspensions. If you can see, oof, yeah, it's stiffer, better than the old one. So this is a good upgrade. Now you'll just need to do the exact same things for the back. So let's go. Just compare these two shocks when I press this down, like it's really stiff, this, no, it's very bad. Out with the old, in with the new. Bam. We are done. So we have upgraded front and back suspension arms, suspension, the shock absorber board, and the differential. So I'll say we start it up and see if it still works. First, the steering. Yes. Now we'll give it some power. Yeah. So I'll just go out and try it out and see if it feels any different with the new shocks mainly. And yeah, that should be it. So you may be wondering, how much did this cost and if it was worth it? So the suspension arms, front and back, cost me $7. The suspension cost $6, and the metal shock absorber board cost me $6, and the differential was $15. That makes the grand total $34. So for me it was worth it, but that's because I like to build stuff. If you don't like to build stuff, you should not do this. So the car is ready for a test. Not gonna lie, there was actually two problems with the car first. So the first one was when I started it. Basically the back started when I give it some gas, it started going backwards and the front going forwards, so that's just the differential that I have to flip, so I did that. But then when I tried to go with that, it was just uncontrollable and kept spinning away. So that was just the suspension being too high up front and too low the back. So I fixed those two, and now we're ready to just try it out. The upgrades I did in this video were absolutely great for durability. I have crashed this car multiple times and I have had no problem with it. It is very good. So, if you like this video, please subscribe. Goodbye.